Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. This is part 2. If you didn't see part 1, go back and watch part 1 about using and things that are not countable. Today we're going to talk about some words that we don't count. They're not countable. Some ideas and experiences where we don't say We use some is the best option. Advice is not countable. We cannot say an advice or a good advice. There's no just advice. But the best option is some. She gave her daughter some advice. He is giving him some good advice. Let's practice. Did they give her good advice?
Yes, they gave her good advice.
Did they give her good advice? Very good. News is a word we don't count. There's no a new or two news. It's just news. Only in that form. And there's no We cannot say a news. So the best option, some. Some news. I heard some good news today. Why is he so happy?
He's happy because he has some good news.
Why is he so happy? Very good. Information is a word we don't count. It's not countable, so no The best option, some. Some information. I have some good information for you. Did he give him some good information?
Yes, he gave him some good information.
Did he give him some good information? Very good. Progress is a word that we don't count. There's no progress. Best option, some. Some progress. And the action is make. They made some progress. Is he learning Spanish?
Yes, he's learning Spanish.
Is he making any progress?
Yes, he's making some progress.
Is he making any progress? Very good. Fun is a word we don't count. No one fun or two funs, just fun. We had fun at the party. Did you have fun in the class? Oh yes, we learned a lot and we had some fun. Did you have any fun in the class?
Yeah, we had some fun in the class.
Did you have any fun in your class? Very good. When using work as a thing, I do work, he did work, it's not countable. There's no Best option, some. He did some work. Do you have to do some work today?
Yes, I have to do some work today.
Do you have to do some work today? Very good. Homework is a word we don't count. We don't say one homework or two homeworks, just homework. I have some homework to do. She's doing some homework. Is she doing some homework today?
Yes, she's doing some homework today.
Is she doing some homework today? Very good. When using uncountable words, sometimes you really want to count them. And we can use a piece. Let me give you a good piece of advice. He is giving him a piece of advice. He is giving him a piece of information. Did he give his son an important piece of advice?
Yes, he gave his son an important piece of advice.
Did he give his son an important piece of advice? Very good. Did he give him a piece of information?
Yes, he gave him a piece of information.
Did he give him a piece of information? Very good. Remember, homework is not countable. The best option is some. I have some homework. She has some homework. If you really want to count it, we use assignment. I have one assignment. She has two assignments. Does she have any homework today?
Yes, she has some homework today.
Does she have any homework today? Very good. How many assignments does she have?
She has two assignments today.
How many assignments does she have? Very good. When using words that are not countable, some is the best option, but sometimes you want to say a lot of. So, pronunciation, a lot of. Put the words together with the T sounding D, a lot of, a lot of. Examples. He gave him a lot of good advice. He has a lot of work to do. They made a lot of progress. He gave him a lot of good information. We use a lot of for a positive. But if it's negative, we use much. I don't have much work to do. We use a lot of for a positive. I have a lot of work. And we use a lot of for negative. I don't have a lot of work. But much is only for negative. We cannot use it for positive. So negative, I don't have much work. They didn't make much progress. Did he give his son a lot of good advice?
Yes, he gave him a lot of good advice.
Did he give him a lot of good advice? Very good. Did he give him a lot of information?
Yes, he gave him a lot of information.
Did he give him a lot of information? Very good. Let's practice negatives. Does he have a lot of work today?
No, he doesn't have much work today.
Does he have a lot of work today? Very good. Did they make a lot of progress?
No, they didn't make much progress.
Did they make a lot of progress? Very good. So remember, some words we don't count. No the best option is some. Advice, information, progress, news, work, and fun. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch it again. Keep practicing.